Academy Gandhinagar. We have been actively working in the field of education for the competitive exams taken up by Gujarat government since the year 2011-12. That means whole of the decade. Now, looking into the whole corona situation going right now, finally, Winners Academy Gandhinagar has come up with the initiative to get digitally accustomed. And also to mention, I am going to show you how the whole application works, and you can also see everything over this side of me. Now, let's finally begin how to use the application. First things first, you are going to open up the phone if you have one with you. Otherwise, you can simply follow my instructions. And now, let's begin finally. First thing, we will get into the Play Store option. Over there, you will simply write down in the search option as Winners Academy Gandhinagar. You will get many options, out of which the specific one in the blue icon is our application. Go over there and click over the icon and then install the application. Now that your application has already been installed, let's look into the page that you are getting. You must be overseeing the login information, but you don't have any login information to write down. So what will you do? Well, you will get into the downside part where you can read Create Account. I'll click over the Create Account option. Over there, I'll write down all the information necessary. Click over the Terms and Conditions and get registered. Now welcomes the part where you will get an OTP. Once you will get verified, you will finally be able to get into the home page of our application. Once that you have got into the application, you will be able to read Winners Academy welcomes you with your name. Now, over here, you can see 4 tabs available and there are some sliders going on. Over there, our reputed faculties and Winners Academy Gandhinagar's team is showcased there. Now, let's talk upon the first tab. I'll be talking every tab otherwise. Now, let's first of all begin with the first number, that is Course tab. When you will get into the Courses tab, you will be getting all the list of courses available. For example, I would like to introduce you everything through one kind of a thing, where I will be clicking on General Batch Class 3. Over there, I am getting all the options for the subjects. Now, coming to the first option that I am going to select, and over there, I get 2 options. Either I can see some video or else I can watch into some PDF files. Well, if you want to learn something through our faculties, you can go and watch the video. Also, for all the information that has been taught in the video can be easily understood through other PDF files and materials given in the PDF option. Now comes the part, what is this thing that is in the side part of the video as well as the PDF. The down arrow you see there. Now, that is for the download option. Whenever you want to create all the offline materials, you can go and download all the things. One good thing done by Winners Academy Gandhinagar is that whatever files you download will not take away any of the storage data in your mobile phone. Everything stays in the application itself. Well, the download option comes in the footer part and you can see the download option there. There are both of the things available in the video form as well as the PDF file. Also, you can delete whatever content it is not necessary for your own self. Now let's talk upon the second tab, and that is for classroom materials and books. Well, all the information in the textbook as well as taught by our reputed faculties are available in the PDF form over there. You can also download all of the information and utilize the same in the offline manner. Well, now let's talk upon the third tab. The third tab tells for online to offline examinations that you can give through this application. Once I'll click over the app, there are 2 options available. First one is for the online part. When I'll click on the online part, all the necessary exams that are going to be taken up will also be notified to you And as well as whenever the exam is going to get conducted, you will be notified 10 minutes before. Now that was the part of all the information of notification. Let's talk upon the part of all the exam details. Exam details will be clearly mentioned there in the form of when the exam is going to be taken up, what is the date, for how long the exam is going to be, and what will be the timing for the same. Also to mention one thing, if you are not available for the specific time mentioned in the exam description, you can also give the exam into 3 other schedules available. For example, we will be making available the exams in the 3 sections. Let's just say for morning 9 to 10, afternoon 2 to 3, and again in evening 9 to 10. You can opt for any of the option and you are good to go. Now, adding to one more thing, there are also monetary chances into the exams that we take. You can take all the opportunity, but those exams will be taken up only once. So make sure you keep your eye over all the notifications that you are getting. Now, let's also talk upon the other tab available for offline exam, where there are 30,000 plus MCQs already available for your practice. Time can come when you feel like not giving the online exam directly, then you can also practice all of the things in the offline manner. Let me also show you one of the good thing over here. Also, now we are clicking upon the courses, and then from that subjects, there are 3 tabs that you get. Out of which, let me just show you the part in the fixed exam. When I click over the fixed exam, I will be getting into the exam, clicking over some of the answers randomly, having no relatability, but just clicking over some of the answers, and directly I will be given the result for the same. Also, how much time you have taken up will be showing up here. Now, also one more good thing over here is that all the top listers who have scored over here and the users who gave the same examination and have scored well will be getting listed over here. So this is all about online and offline exam. Now again, let's get back to the home page. Coming to the last part of the tabs available, that is for current affairs. When you get into the current affairs part, let me show you how does it work. There are daily, weekly as well as monthly and the videos available. You can get all the information regarding the same very easily. All the information has been curated after the hard work by our reputed faculties who have been working for 4 to 5 hours of proper research. Also, all the information are from international, national as well as state level. Well, talking about Gujarat government's general knowledge piece of importance, they give a lot of importance to general knowledge questions, as we all know that thing. So, make sure that you are utilizing this step to the utmost. I also want to mention over here a very good thing that you get. When you get into the current affairs daily option, or let's just say into weekly option, whatever suits you, you will be getting all the information into PDF form, where you can either download or else you can also share the same piece of information to your friends or to your peers. Now, I will be showing you by clicking over one of the PDF format file available to me. All the information is available as well as information regarding all the social media platforms are there. Now that you have shared to some of your friends and they want to also get into the application, what they have to do is simply click over the option that you get, visit app, click here, and then as well as when you will click over there, you will be directed into the Play Store from where you can download this amazing application and use it for your educational purpose. Last but not the least, there is also one option available at the very bottom part where there is a plus icon. You simply go over the plus icon and you will be directed to all the social media platforms that we exist on. And also to mention, there is our helpline number available. You can contact us anytime and we are there to help you out for the same. And finally, let's talk upon some of the courses that you can also buy for. Let me show you how you can do it. When you get into the first tab of courses, over there you select any of the course, you get into any of the subject, and there you will be getting the very down part, you will be getting an option of subscribe now. You can click over there and subscribe to any of the packages that you want for your own betterment. So that was it for all the information that I had to provide you. I really hope you got every part of it, and for more information you can also contact to Anil F. Sankla. Contact information is 98251 56251. Thank you so much.